All right, got a 1999 Chevy Tahoe 5.7 liter. Let me show you guys how to remove the fan or the fan clutch. So you need one of these that goes here like that. If you don't have one, just get a adjustable wrench like this, and then grab a 10mm wrench. What you do is you put it on one of the bolt. Let me see if I can put the camera down so you guys can see it. There we go. So I'm gonna put the 10mm on the water pump pulley right there. So that's gonna lock in place, and then put your tool right here. So this one is going up clockwise, and you're gonna turn it counterclockwise to release the fan clutch. See, I don't want to hit the phone. There we go. Yep, there it is. Okay, that is the easier way instead of hammering it with an open-end wrench or adjustable wrench. And then you just keep turning it and it should come off. That's it.